Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the best dash cams. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vantrue and 4:3-channel 4K Dash Cam. The Vantrue setup offers 3 separate cameras to simultaneously record what's happening in front of, behind, and inside your vehicle, all in high resolution and with night vision. Built into the camera is a handy time-lapse feature that saves storage space on the memory card. The main drawback with this dash cam? You'll need to purchase the GPS module separately, and it's required if you want to record location, route, and speed data with video content. The suction mount makes installation easy. For ongoing security, there's a parking mode that activates whenever you leave your vehicle. This dash cam is a great option for ride-share drivers. 3-camera operation with audio recording. 4K front camera resolution. Rear camera offers 160-degree FOV. GPS module sold separately. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam 67W. This compact dash cam has an understated design but an impressive 180-degree FOV. Its 1440p resolution doesn't quite match the 4K resolution dash cams, but it's still plenty high for capturing clear video. The backside features a 2-inch display for watching stored and live footage as well as easily navigating through menus via the 4 side buttons. It also offers voice control, making it easy to control the dash cam while you're driving without taking your eyes off the road. GPS and live image analysis give you warnings if you're drifting out of your lane or are sitting too long at a green light, for example. Comprehensive image stabilization means all your recorded footage will appear smooth. The Garmin 67W dash cam supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making it easy to offload recorded videos to your phone. One of its great features, Parking Guard, immediately pings your phone if an incident pertaining to your vehicle is detected while the car is parked. Excellent field of view. Parking Guard feature monitors your car while it's parked. Compact design. Requires a monthly fee for extended cloud-based storage. Small display size. Number 3. Thinkware Q1000 Dash Cam. Some dash cams can feel large and bulky, if not actively intrusive and obtrusive. Not only can this be an eyesore to some drivers, but it can make the camera a target for thieves who may want to hide their tracks when breaking into your vehicle. Stealthy dash cams, like the Thinkware Q1000, are less noticeable to both the driver and anyone else peering in from the outside. With no screen and a shallow profile, you can tuck this camera behind your vehicle's rearview mirror. Unless you're actively looking for it, it'll be hard to spot. The optional rear-facing camera is even smaller. The Q1000 provides 2K resolution and a broad 156-degree FOV, giving you a great view of everything it records and a much sharper picture than traditional 1080p dash cams. This dash cam comes with the option of cloud connectivity and it tags video with GPS and speed data to add extra context to everything on screen. It also analyzes footage in real time to give you warnings about driving too close to the car in front of you, leaving your lane, or when there's an upcoming red light or speed camera. A more stealth design than competitors. Good resolution, although not 4K. 32GB microSD memory card included. Rear camera sold separately. Number 4. Vantrue N1 Pro Mini Dash Cam. Affordable and compact recording, with audio, while driving or when parked. In addition to providing clear, 1080p video, this camera simultaneously records audio and offers night vision, all in a compact design. The camera is designed to record license plates and road signs in addition to whatever is happening in front of the vehicle. While driving, the dash cam offers collision detection and recording. When parked, it continues protecting the vehicle by recording any movement in or around it. If the Vantrue detects a collision, the recorded video automatically locks to prevent it from accidentally being overwritten or deleted. Like others on our list, you'll have to pay for the GPS module separately, and it's required for recording speed, location, and route. The dash cam easily mounts on either the dashboard or windshield. 1080p front-facing camera with night vision. Offers time-lapse recording option. Collision detection and parking monitor. GPS functionality requires optional add-on. Hardwire kits sold separately. Number 5. Kenwood DRVA601W 4K Dash Cam. Easily removing the camera from your dashboard when needed. The Kenwood S601W supports 4K video recording and offers Wi-Fi connectivity to seamlessly integrate with your mobile device. The camera also utilizes HDR to improve visual clarity in high-contrast lighting situations. Where this dashcam really stands out, however, is with its mounting solution. The S601W comes with a quick-release magnetic mount that lets you detach the camera from its attachment arm using just one hand. The mounting arm attaches to your windshield using a suction cup or adhesive pad. The 3-axis G-sensor and GPS receiver combine to offer reliable crash and impact detection, tagging the recorded footage with exact location and speed data. Nicely priced for a 4K resolution camera. Quick-release magnetic mount. 3-inch touchscreen display. Does not offer a rear camera. Smaller field of view than competitors.